Hello, I'm Lila Devi, the founder of Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. This is number 10 in a series of 20 videos introducing you to our line of flower essences according to their particular placement in our essence spectrum chart. Today, we'll be talking about Spirit in Nature's fig essence for flexibility and self-acceptance. Obviously very good for people studying yoga, which involves a kind of physical flexibility. The fig blossom is very unique in that it grows within the fruit itself, so it has an unusual botanical signature. For flexibility and self-acceptance, fig essence helps people to develop more relaxed attitudes toward themselves and others, no matter how heavy their responsibilities, to overcome rigidity, to develop a sense of humor, and to go with the flow. Fig is for children who try too hard or have perfectionistic attitudes, and also for overcoming habits such as nail biting and thumb sucking. Fig is for pets in training and to help them discontinue negative behaviors. Spirit in Nature's fig essence enhances these qualities: a sense of humor, fluidity, an ability to go with the flow, being at ease with self and others, self-liberating, energy to move forward in life, for relaxation, and lastly, for setting healthy boundaries. The benefits of Spirit in Nature essences are greatly enhanced when used with affirmations. If you wish, please repeat after me the fig essence affirmation. I am relaxed and peaceful. I am one with all that is. I am relaxed and peaceful. I am one with all that is. Thank you for visiting us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes. That's spirit-in-nature.com. May you have perfect well-being.